Hi, my name is Jens Klötzer. I'm a test engineer of Tour Magazine. I'd like to show you today what happens to a bike when it comes into the Tour test lab. The first thing we do, we disassemble the bike and remove every component from the frame. This is our comfort test stand, where we can quantify the comfort of the frame. The frame is fixed in the front and the rear dropouts, while the fork can move forward. Every frame is measured with this serial seat post, and the seat height is always the same. A load of 120 kilos is applied at a well-defined point at the saddle, and we measure the deflection of the saddle dummy. Last check is the geometry of the frame. We determine all relevant frame measurements independent from manufacturer's information. So different frames and geometries get comparable, and we can make statements about handling and rider's position on the bike. With this test stand, we check the stiffness in the bottom bracket. This is important for transferring your power into acceleration. We simulate the situation when you go out of the saddle when sprinting or climbing. The frame set is fixed at the front and the rear dropouts and is sloped to 10 degrees. A very stiff crank is attached and the load is applied at the pedal at the same point where we measure the deflection of the frame. With our paint test, we check the durability of the coating. A bit falls from a defined height on the frame, starting at 10 centimeters and going up to 50. We test at 3 different points: at the down tube, at the bottom bracket area, and at the chainstays. In the next step, we measure the torsional stiffness of the frame, which is important for riding stability at high speed and for precise handling. The frame is fixed at the rear dropouts and is supported under the center of the head tube. We apply a torque into the head tube and we measure the torsion of the frame. First delta we determine is weight. We evaluate the weight of the frame set, which includes the fork, the headset, a seat clamp, a derailleur clamp and a derailleur cable routing. Furthermore, we calculate the weight to a standard size, if the frame is more or less than our standard 57 cm test size. Stability, handling and comfort not only depend on the frame, but also on the fork. We measure the stiffness of the fork in 2 directions. Lateral stiffness is for stability and handling, and driving direction is for comfort. That's it from the Tour test lab. Now we reassemble the bike and then we go riding.